If you're searching for the new 2025 Kia Telluride for sale in Tulsa, Oklahoma City, or even Dallas, Texas, then this 2025 Telluride SX Prestige X line might be the perfect Kia SUV for you. Located at our Kia dealership in Tulsa, this Wolf Gray Kia Telluride is a new 2025 Kia Telluride SX Prestige X line, all-wheel drive SUV, and is complemented with a beautiful, terracotta Nappa leather interior seat trim. And a few of its highlighted features include a 3.8-liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. It also comes equipped with a navigation system, lane departure, leather upholstery, automatic temperature control, an emergency communication system, power moonroof, wireless phone connectivity, and parking sensors. It comes with third-row seating, a surround-view exterior parking camera system, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, heated and ventilated front and rear seats, a heated steering wheel, rear air conditioning, and an auto-leveling suspension. Just to name a few. Don't miss out. Contact one of our friendly consultants today at Midtown Kia of Tulsa at 918-922-9632 for complete details on this 2025 Kia Telluride. Tulsa, Oklahoma City and Dallas Kia clients are always invited to discover our convenient and hassle-free car buying experience.